Did you know that there's a fast and easy way to sort your text alphabetically or numerically in Adobe InDesign with just a few simple clicks? No more cutting and pasting by hand. You can easily do it all natively right within InDesign. Here we have our sample layout with a few different columns of text that we would like to sort. Here in our first column, we have our names in random order, but we would like to put them in alphabetical order. And we will do that using scripts. Now don't click away yet. I know the word script sounds scary, but I promise this couldn't be easier. You won't need to do any coding. You won't need to insert a complex formula. InDesign takes care of everything. So let's walk through it. The first thing we want to do is just select the text box that we want to sort. Then we can go up to Window, Utilities, and then go down to Scripts. Or we can use the shortcut Control-Alt-F11 or Option-Command-F11 on a Mac. But my guess is you're probably not going to remember that, so let's just click on Scripts. Now we can see a few folders have popped up in our Scripts panel over on the side. These are scripts that InDesign includes by default and are already built into the program. You can add your own, but InDesign includes a bunch just right off the bat. It's just that a lot of people don't know about them or how to find them. So now that we have our Scripts panel pulled up, we can navigate to Application, and then Samples, and then JavaScript. Then scroll down until we find the script for Sort Paragraphs. Now all we have to do is double click on the script. This will pop up some options. These default settings will work great for what we need, so all we have to do here is just hit OK. And just like that, it immediately sorted each of our paragraphs into alphabetical order. So easy. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our second column. This column includes numbers on each of our lines. These could also be dates or page numbers or anything in that number format. They all work exactly the same way as what we did before. So once again, all we have to do is double click on our sort paragraph script. And once again, the default options will work just fine here, so we can just hit OK. And just like before, InDesign immediately organized all of our text numerically. But what if we want to do this in reverse order, from highest number to lowest? We can do that too. Let's just go back and once again, double click on our script. And this time we'll check the box for reverse sort. Then with that clicked, we can just hit OK. And that reversed our sorting from highest to lowest. So easy. But what if you have some text within your text box that you don't actually want to sort? Over here in our third column, we actually have a headline that's inside of the same text box as the rest of our text. But we don't want the headline to get shuffled around with everything else. That's really easy to get around. All we have to do is click into our text box and select the text that we want to sort. That lets InDesign know that we only want to sort this area. Then, just like before, we can double click on our script, keep the default settings, and say OK. And just like that, it immediately sorted everything that we had selected and nothing else, leaving our headline at the top and giving us the flexibility to sort only the items that we want sorted. And that's how you quickly and easily sort alphabetically or numerically in Adobe InDesign. And now that you've mastered using scripts to sort your text, did you know that you can adjust which Photoshop layers are visible in your placed files without even leaving InDesign? I have a video right here to show you how.